1996 D penny value, D mint mark. The 1996 penny has a little D mint mark letter under the date, signifying that it was struck at the Denver Mint in Colorado. The Denver Mint produced a whopping 6,510,795,000 Lincoln Memorial cents with the 1996 date and mint mark. Of course, with a mintage figure that big, it's pretty hard to consider 1996 pennies rare coins. Most 1996 pennies you'll find in spare change are going to be worn, discolored, or damaged. Any 1996 pennies like that are worth face value, just 1 cent, and are safe to spend. In fact, pretty much all 1996 pennies you'll find in circulation that don't look as shiny and new as the day they were minted are worth only a penny. Again, these are relatively common coins, but there really are some 1996 pennies worth saving. Those that are in mint press uncirculated condition are worth around 10 to 30 cents. The most valuable 1996 Lincoln penny ever sold was graded Mint State 69RD by Professional Coin Grading Service (PCGS) and fetched a remarkable $3,565 in a 2008 auction.